Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to open up a couple of pair of heaven panties, so let's get into it and check it out. Are sent to me for review, so I will put all the links and information down below that you need to go over and check them out. But basically, it's a monthly panty subscription. You will get one pair of panties per month. It is $13, but you get that $13 immediately in credit from them that you can go over and spend in their store. And in the beginning, when you did that, you could only use one credit at a time. If you found something that was $20 and you had $20 in credit, it didn't matter because they were only $10 credits and you could only use one. But now you can stack your credits. So if you find something that's $20 and you have $20 in credit, it's free to you. That's awesome. They have also become a little more inclusive in sizing. They do, let me look at this. They do from extra small to extra, 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 extra large. However, that is from a 0 in the extra small to an 18 in that 4X. So their largest size is that 4X, and that's a 16, 18. So hopefully, just like we've seen it become a little more inclusive, that will continue. Once you get your outside packaging open, these are your two packages on the inside. You will get one a month. I should say that. You will get one a month. I have 2 months here because you guys know we got a little behind. Each month you will get a pair of panties. It's $13 and you will get the $13 in rewards credit. There's a complimentary styling service. Shipping is free. And they are so pretty. Oh my gosh, how pretty are these? They are kind of they're cross between like a maroon and a taupe. It's a little darker than a taupe. I get the extra, extra, extra large in this, which is the 14-16, just in the for what it's worth category. And I am, as a rule, a large or an extra large these days. When you take it out, oh my gosh, they're so pretty. This is what they look like. The backs of the legs have this gorgeous lace. They're nice and stretchy, but soft. The back across your bottom is just solid, but the front has that lace across your tummy. But under that, up against your skin, this is the front. So you still have this silky, shiny, nice up against your skin. They're such a great quality. I have found the quality of these to be fantastic. So this is what those look like. Let's see what my next pair is. And when we get into this one, this is what it looks like. It reminds me very much of the one we just had, but just a little different. The beauty is they know I'll like it because when you sign up, you fill out a really good survey. You talk to them about what colors you like, about what styles you like, hipsters, briefs, thongs. They ask you all the questions to get a really good feel for what it is you're gonna like receiving in panties. This is just silky across the top. And then in the back, it looks almost like not a thong cut, but a bikini cut, but then it has the lace out. This color is fantastic. I hope it is coming across in person. Has a cute little bow up front. Matches my room very nicely. These are just so pretty. And like I said, they are $13 a month, but you get $13 in credit. So you can go out and treat yourself to more panties. They also do bras, they do other things. I will put the link below and tell you what the offer has been. The first month is on them, and I will put my link below, and with my referral link, it will gift you $20 also. So I will put all the links below. You can go over, check it all out, but this is 2 months of my undies. But how fun is that to get a pair of undies in the mail each month? I can't even tell you the last time I had to go to the store and pick up undies. Thank you so much for coming by, guys. If you have any questions, let me know below. If I don't know the answer, I will find it for you. Again, these are sent to me for review. I will put the link with the discount information below. Have a great day, guys. I really appreciate you taking the time to be here. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos. Take care.